it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Maruchan Kuta. Kuta means I'm full or I'm satisfied, something like that. And this is a Shoyu Tonkotsu, so that's what we're doing today. Amongst other things. Drop the noodle in. Drop the seasoning in. And this can go in here. And this will take about 3 minutes. Alright, here we go. Filling it into the cup. A controlled spill. There. And it is 3. God, this thing is so laggy. God. You gonna update? Yeah, this is what I'm kind of stuck with currently, waiting for it to update. Really? Still. I wonder if it's actually working here. It seems to be. We're recording and everything, so I don't know. Anyways, this is, what day is it? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday, the 24th? Of 2024 in January. Yeah, cloudy, rainy, nasty looking day outside. Kind of bummed. I'd love to be out in it, but my poor boy still is under the weather. And hopefully we're kind of betting on maybe Friday he'll be able to get back in the saddle. Wow, this sucks. It's just frozen. I don't know why. It should just be doing its due, but it doesn't want to do its due. Which is doo-doo. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. So we're gonna exit out and we're gonna log back into it. Maybe that'll work. It's worth a shot. But yeah, crummy weather. Nice and dark though, makes it easier to take the pictures over there. And come on, remote control. There we go. And yes, things are working again. How strange. I don't know what the deal is. It could be there was an update for that phone that you're looking at. And maybe that screwed things up. I don't know. But it just kind of gets more herky-jerky as it goes along. Yeah. I don't know. It seems to be working now. Anyways, yeah. Hopefully later today we'll have our ability to use our phones back. We're on Wi-Fi right now. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Shoyu Tonkotsu Kuda. Miles, that's enough of that, okay? Simmer down now. You don't need to yell at the fictional people on your tablet. Okay? He likes to yell and carry on about these people that are not doing what he wants them to do sometimes. And it's like, dude, they're not real for one. And for two, you sound very, very, very intense about it. It's like, chill a little. Mmm. A lot of little bits going on in there. Pretty cool. I get the, as advertised, Shoyu Tonkotsu. Noodle is good. The broth is thick, but the thickness really makes me feel like it's full of, like, cornstarch. It's not an agreeable thickness on this, I'm going to say that much. Okay. We'll go that order. So here it is. Yeah, Really? But I stirred you so well. I feel like I did my due diligence in the stirring. Is that a meaty bit? That may be a meaty bit right there. Oh, it is. Oh, wow. Kind of a porky meaty bit, I'm guessing. All right. Yeah, like I said, on the last episode, I think, our phones were kind of shut off due to lack of funds, and that's been a little crummy. Uh-oh. I need to reload my deal. Okay. My kitchen torch was shut down due to lack of torchy stuff. That can happen. Add an egg. I use a high concentration of soy sauce. I made these eggs like maybe an hour ago, maybe less. Ooh, those are pretty. Super softy. Okay, then we got add in a slice of narutamaki. Right there. Add in some spring onion. Sesame seed and some shichimi. I've got all these Zen Pop varieties that I need to go through. A lot of cups. I've got another one of their boxes, I believe, coming today, so I'm kind of stoked on that. I'm trying by the end of the week, if I can possibly, to get to review number 4,900. That'll mean only 100 to go to the blessed number 5,000. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is Nissan Cup Noodles from Singapore, and it's a seafood flavor varietal. So that's what you will get to see on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.